What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Naturally Xandra. Today we're going to get into another video, and you already know the deal. This is going to be a natural hair product faves video. So if you came here for that video, stay tuned. But first, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more videos like this, because if you didn't know, well, it was just recent, but I converted to a natural hair only channel, so you will get all natural hair and you will know exactly what you subscribe for. And then I plan on integrating things way down the line when I gain more followers, subscribers, and friends. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I am going to be showcasing every favorite leave-in in my stash. Like, I literally went through my stash, which is getting kind of big there. I'm getting kind of out of hand, but I went in my stash and I pulled out an array. You guys can't see it, but an array of leave-in conditioners. So we're gonna start off with the first one. So the first leave-in conditioner is the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. I've had this conditioner for a while. As you can see, I have used about 60% of this, and I've had this for like 2 years, I think, 2 or 3 years. If you go around social media and like the natural hair community on YouTube, you will see people vouching for the fact that this is super thick. And I never tried to water it down, but I think based on Jalen Mitchell's tip, I'm going to water this down. So that's my first one. I love this leave-in, but it's a little too thick for my hair because I have fine hair. The second one is going to be the Male Organics. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. If I am, thumbs up this video. If I'm not, comment down below and tell me like the breakdown of, you know, how they put like the dash in between. Tell me the pronunciation of this word. But I have the moisturizing avocado hair milk. Boom. This is a newer purchase that I saw on social media, and then I was like, yeah, I'm about to get that, hands down, because it had avocado in it, and avocado is very moisturizing, so I'm like, I give it a try. Love it, love it. It's another thick one though, so I would have to probably water this down for my hair. I haven't done that yet though, but it may come, it may come. Okay, so the third one is gonna be the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In, and this is what it looked like. You guys probably been seeing this collection all around social media, and I'm here to tell you this is the truth. When I had my twists, crochet twists installed that I did myself, by the way, when I had that installed, I used this as a refresher on my hair, like on my scalp and stuff, and this works amazing. I also use it on my regular hair. The next one is going to be one that the same as Kinky Curly. It's a battle between these two. I don't know which one is better, but this is not to rank my leave-ins. That will come later on. So this is just a showcase to you guys in case you want to purchase any. So you can see my favorite, your girl, your friend. You can see what I like, and maybe it may work for you. But the next one is the Miss Jessie's Leave-In Condish. And this is what it looks like. Miss Jessie's, let me just say this hands down, is the most, like one of the most moisturizing products ever, like in my opinion. But this is super thick, so I will have to do the same as Kinky Curly Not Today and water this down. But that's the fourth one. The fifth one is gonna be something you've seen on social media. Everything you see on social media, I'm getting to the bandwagon of. It just seems like that. But the Pantene Gold Series Leave-On Detangling Milk is the fifth one, and it's infused with argan oil. And 2 oils work for my hair extremely well, and that's argan oil and olive oil. So you know I had to get this. Boom, that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna just say this off the top. This is a very lightweight detangling milk. And if you like lightweight, you may have to build upon it if you have thicker hair, but it's absolutely amazing. I actually bought the shampoo and conditioner, so comment down below if you want me to review that, because I haven't used it yet. This is the truth, so try that out. The sixth product is the Gemini Naturals Curl Awakening Primer. Softens, detangles, and moisturizes. Boom. Now I could definitely say this does what it says it's gonna do. I actually bought this because I have the Purple Rain color in their, gel. I'm not a big fan of gels, but I love their gel. So far I did a tester on a certain area and it actually went very well. I just have not colored the whole head yet. So I will be doing that. Let me know in the comment section if you want that video. So definitely a buy, but just keep in mind this is a little pricey. Yeah, this was a little too much, but I took the bullet and I got it because I had the money at the time. But yeah, you got to really think about if you want to invest in this. I'll put the price of this on the screen for you. And I'll also put an affiliate link if I can find it down below. If not, I'll just put a link to this product, all of these products in the description box. So we're on to the 7th leave-in, and that's the Shea Moisture silicone-free miracle styler leave-in with sugarcane extract and meadow foam seed. And this is what it looks like. You've probably seen this a lot on Shea Moisture's page and things like that, people using it, saying it's really good. I can attest to that. It's not my go-to, like top of this whole collection I'm showing you guys of favorites, but it's pretty decent. Yeah, it's pretty decent. It's a hit or miss with certain things. If you have a lot of product buildup, I've noticed that it's harder to penetrate. But if you like just freshly washed your hair, this is gonna do really well. The 8th product, which is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Not Away Leave-In Detangler for dry, dehydrated hair, is made with pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. So this is what it looks like. I remember when I first got this product, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. And as you can see, I've used up a lot of this product. Yeah, I like it, but it's a hit or miss for me. It's a hit or miss, but it's mostly a hit. So that's why I put it in my favorites, because this is one of my top products that I love, but I rarely use now because I got so many new products that are better. The next one is going to be the 9th, and it's the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. This is one of my favorites out of this whole favorite products. It's literally about top, because you put this on your hair and it instantly curls up. It instantly defines your curls while also providing moisture, and it also makes your hair extremely soft. The only thing I noticed about this is it doesn't partner well with a lot of creams that you use, because I like to do the lock method. Sometimes I do the LCO method, and I play around to see which one works best for my hair. Something that's newer too is the Care Curl Essence Moisturizing Leave-In. This is what it looks like. This is literally my favorite. I'm gonna say it. My favorite out of all of my favorites in terms of a leave-in. Like, legit. Like, the consistency of it is a snotty type of, it's a snotty type of consistency. You see that? And that's what I feel penetrates my hair the best. Whoa. That's what I feel penetrates my hair the best, because every other one is like creamy or it's too thick. Every other leave-in, I mean, that I've tried. I'll put this in the back. You don't want to waste none of this, you feel me? You know, you really don't want to waste none of this product. That's how good it is. As you can see, I still have a lot of it because I don't want to use all of it. Like, it's literally that good. It's literally that good. Just make sure you go buy that product and let me know how it goes. Okay, so the last and final product. Don't judge me for this. Don't judge me, because there's been a lot of controversy of this brand of the leave-in. Some women, they staple some women into ingredients and stuff, and they say they don't mess with this brand. But that is the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. It deeply moisturizes to protect hair from damage, formulated for overheated, overstyled hair. So that's how it looks. And I'm here to tell you, if you haven't tried that, maybe you should give it a shot, because it may change your life. It may change your life. Make sure your hair is wet, not soaking wet, but like wet before you apply it, because if you apply it to dry hair, it still will work, but I found that it works better consistently when you use water beforehand, because I've tried to go to this on dry hair before just to test it out, and it would do good, but then in certain situations it would not do good. So that's my advice to you. Buy it from Walmart, Target, places that you can actually refund or exchange, because a lot of local beauty supply stores don't allow you to do so within after a 3-day span. I know for mine's down the street, it's like a 3-day span, which I feel is absolutely insane. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which one of these is your favorite out of all of these, if you tried any of these. But yeah, without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.